What's going on, my beautiful people? I want to give you a quick update on one of the properties we're working on. As you can see from here, today we had the inspector came out, gave us a green light. So I'm hoping to start pouring the concrete for the driveway. The holes are in for the fence. We're doing a privacy fence all the way around. It's gonna go all back here. Then once on the inside, we're adding ceiling fans in here, redoing the floor. And let me just show you real quick on the inside, some of the furniture, some of the decorating we're doing. That obviously is going to go up here, up over the dining. Here's the living room. Some of the artwork that we already have on the property. Bedroom, first bedroom, second bedroom. This will be the third bedroom. We're actually going to build our own bunk beds for this bedroom. But so far, so good. Follow us on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.